Good morning! I'm here. Okay, I want to show you something. I'm going to cook some, we call it kangkong. But I still have to go back to bed because I have to work this afternoon. And I have a lot of time to spend for cooking. So I just decided to cook it with this. Ligo sardinas! So I got something to take to work today. But anyway, my sister called me from Philippines and she was laughing at me, guys. You know why? She said, I was so proud opening the durian a while ago that the thing is, I was opening it in a wrong way. And she was laughing so hard. Because she saw me so proud doing it. And I said, well, I don't know. I never did it before. But at least I open it safely. I never get caught. And I got my fresh durian. But she said next time, I have to look some lines somewhere at the tip, at the end of the durian. She said, I have to check the line. I have to rolling it, checking it, and find the line. And that's how the way to guide me. And also, for cutting it, I have to start from the middle of the durian, not at the end. But what I did, I started from here, where the stem is. So she said, next time I have to start it in the middle. But anyway, that's okay. I got my durian anyway. I was so laughing with her when she told me, you're so proud the way opening the durian, but you open it in the wrong way. I said, no, that's okay. So anyway, guys, okay, I'm gonna cook my kangkong. I'm gonna put sardinas. It's gonna be good. All right, see you. Bye-bye.